Alright, so we just received the douche bags, Rambo 26 liters bag all the way from Norway. So I have been trying to get this bag since last 1.5 years. In last 1.5 years, I've already been to Norway, I believe twice or probably twice, yes. But every time I go to the airport, go to Norway, Oslo stores, this bag is always sold out. It's very difficult to get this bag. Even if you are someone who is staying in Sweden or Finland or Norway, it's easier for you because you can just order it online and get it. But someone who doesn't stay close by, it's very difficult for them. So somehow I had to pull the trigger and just went ahead, ordered it all the way from Norway to my Frankfurt office address. Then from Frankfurt office address, I have got it shipped to my Dubai office address, and I just got it here. So this is the Ramverk 26 liters backpack. So I personally collect a lot of backpacks because I keep on traveling a lot. I need my bags and everything has to look perfect, aesthetically pleasing, and everything has to look great. So I have been personally using my Manfrotto bag. I can show it to you now. Probably since you have been following me on Instagram and YouTube, you would be knowing what backpacks I use. But this is something, it was exactly what I always needed. Square shape, color, sand and gray with simple accent of orange. Exactly what I always wanted. So this is how the bag packaging looks like. Very sweet, and it simply says 100% recycled plastic, do better. This isn't just a recycled plastic bag. This plastic recycling bag made in China, of course, because everyone makes it in China, but this is completely designed in Scandinavian. Norway, the company is from Norway, so let me just show it to you how it looks. And beautiful. Like, I have been trying to get this in the last 2 years. It was very difficult to get this color because this is exactly the color what I always wanted, the gray sand with the orange accents. It just looks something else. I mean, imagine taking this bag to the airport with you, to the office, something like this. It just fits and looks so bloody good. I mean, it's not something looks very fancy or something, because of course I don't need something fancy, flashy, which has all the logos and bullshit stuff going on the top of the bag. I absolutely hate those stuff. I needed always a bag which has to exactly match with my minimalistic culture, productive looks, and has to look very aesthetically pleasing. And this was the only bag I have tried. I have bought a lot of backpacks till now. Not a single bag actually looks like this. So just to see the build quality, and the front looks something like this. If you see, the front chain is here, you are getting all of those liners, and there is one more space here where you can actually put water or something like that. If you want to put a tripod, you can put it here, and there is a chain over here, you can just put it back. And it says here 26 liters Ramverk and Db bags. So DB is the douche bags, and the Db branding is here, and it says designed in Norway, and this color is sand gray. The model is Ramverk 26 liters and the color is sand gray. Best thing is on the top, because whenever you are traveling, you absolutely need this thing. You need a top, because my Manfrotto bag has exactly the same thing. You need this thing. The top access layer is something what everyone needs. It's here, so you can put your phones, passports, some AirPods, documents, probably one small notebook and a pen. Get all of those stuff which you normally need it for quick access. You can just put it here. And on the top it says designed in Scandinavia, journey to the DB, and this is where the branding goes, and it just looks so bloody good. So this is where it is, and here you get a space to put the laptop. I can show you exactly. So let's say this one is my 16-inch laptop. I can just put it here. So 16-inch fits perfectly. So I don't think so anyone uses more bigger than 16-inch. So you can put the 16-inch. And the best part is, in this Ramverk, you can actually put your one extra stuff as well. So let's say if you have to put my Remarkable or probably my iPad Pro, I can just put it here as well. So enough space you have. You can see that it's completely fitting and perfectly sits as well. And it's a flat bag, like anywhere you just put it, it's gonna stay something like this. It's not going to fall like this, it's not going to fall like this. It's just gonna stay right there. So this space, you can use it for your iPads, you can use it for your probably your laptops, and you can anything. You can use this space for nice neat. So I will show you exactly how I normally fit stuff. So if you are following me on Instagram, you will be able to see it. If you're not following, go ahead, follow me on Instagram. Link is below in the video description. So at least you can see how I normally pack stuff in my travel bags. So this is where the laptop goes. So I will just get the laptop out. So this is a 16-inch MacBook Pro M4 Max, easily fitting, perfectly fitting. So you don't need to test anything else. This one fits perfect. And on the top layer, I can just put my phones or anything like that. Phones, AirPods Pro, passports, all of those quick access stuff, I can put it here. And then you have this one, and of course you can use it as a backpack as well. And it's very comfortable, even if it's heavy. Once you put your stuff, it's very comfy. So on the top access, you can see this on the top. All you get is this straight up open space, so you can fit as much as stuff. And here also we are getting some space, some storage. We can keep stuff here, we can keep some stuff here, we can keep some stuff here. So a lot of space. 1, 2, 3. Then you have this open space completely. Here I normally put my Apple Vision Pro and my Hasselblad camera and 1 or 2 small things, and that's all. So basically for me it's very straightforward. As for my hand baggage, it has to be, a laptop has to be there, iPad has to be there, Remarkable has to be there, 1 notebook has to be there, 1 pen, passports, keys, and AirPods Pro, and my hand creams, and my lip balm, and all of those cards, cables, and a small charger probably, and the power bank. That's all. It can, all of those can easily fit. Just follow me on Instagram. You would be able to see how I normally fit everything, and probably I will put it in this video as well. So technically it's I mean, no joke, one of the best, cleanest looking bags out there in the market right now. I have personally spent a ton of money on buying a lot of backpacks. None of them actually match my exact aesthetics, what I have always needed, because I always need something like this, gray with orange accents, or else black with green accents, or else sand with orange accent. And this was the bag which exactly started to fit as per my requirement. It just looks so good. I mean, I cannot explain it to you here. Probably you cannot even make out here. Once you see it on my Instagram photos, whenever I'm traveling, you'll be able to know how clean and good this one looks. Absolutely love this bag. So if you are really looking to order this, they ship it worldwide. If you're in India, then it's very difficult to get, of course. But if you're traveling anytime to Europe, probably you can order it through your hotel address and they will deliver to you. It's not very expensive. Yes, it's expensive, but it's not that, like, it's not very expensive. It's close to $300. So $300 is not cheap, close to 28,000 or 30,000 rupees just for a backpack. So not a lot of people are willing to spend. But if you are looking for something aesthetically very pleasing, which looks great, functions the best, and looking for something which you can keep on using for long time to go, and you travel a lot, I mean, no brainer, you can just go ahead and get this. For me also, one best thing is I can actually put this through my Remova Cabin Plus, so the bag stays something like this straight whenever I'm walking through the airport zone. So absolutely love this bag. I did not had anything much to say about this. I absolutely love it. Personally, this is my favorite whenever I'm going through my bags. Now I have a ton of backpacks and I'm not going to use any of them because this is going to be my permanent usage backpack. So if you have got any question, let me know. The link to buy, I have put it in the video description in case anyone who stays in the Europe, Dubai, or probably Australia, New Zealand, US, you can absolutely order it and they will get it delivered to you. But if you're in India, difficult. So if you are in India but traveling sometime to Europe or US, probably you can order it online and ship it to your hotel address or relative's address.